Hello, in this video I will show you how to install TeamViewer in laptop. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly open your browser, then just simply search for TeamViewer. Now open the first link over here and now just simply click on try now for free. Then just simply install the desktop client over here. Now depending on the operating system that you have, choose your download. So in my case I have a Windows laptop, so I'm going to choose Windows over here. Now after choosing the operating system, you will find few options down below. So over here, what you do is just simply download TeamViewer full client. As you can see out of here, choose 64-bit, or if you have a 32-bit system, just simply choose that. Now just simply download the application and install it. So click on open and start the installation process. And right over here, choose default installation. Click on accept. Then click on yes and wait for the installation to complete. Now after the installation is complete, you should find the shortcut of TeamViewer in your desktop, as you can see right over here. So all you have to do is simply double click on the application and the application will appear. Now click on I accept over here, click on continue. And after that, your TeamViewer should start. So wait for a few seconds and the error should go away, as you can see right over here. Now, this is currently in the new interface. So if you want the old interface, you can just simply disable this option and then click on restart. And then TeamViewer will go automatically in the old version, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.